Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which may improve insulin sensitivity, support satiety, and slightly boost fat metabolism. Apple cider vinegar is not a standalone fat burner, but complements a calorie-controlled diet and regular exercise. The daily routine involves consuming 1-2 teaspoons, 5-10 milliliters in 200-250 ml of water once or twice daily before meals. Optionally adding honey or lemon for taste. Always dilute ACV to prevent harm to teeth and throat. Week 1 focuses on resetting the body through hydration and whole food consumption. Week 2 incorporates intermittent fasting and increased protein intake alongside strength training. Week 3 emphasizes HIIT workouts, increased vegetable portions, and avoiding late-night meals for optimal fat loss. Week 4 focuses on sustaining results by maintaining the ACV habit long-term. Core exercises, reduced sodium intake, and adequate hydration are crucial for sustaining results. Individuals with ulcers, reflux, kidney issues, or those on specific medications should consult a doctor before starting this plan.